Good day, gentlemen and ladies, and I should say good evening. I forgot. Let's restart that. Good evening, gentlemen and ladies. Today we are the 19th of November, and this will be my Wednesday video, which will be happening for you right now, but for me it's gonna be tomorrow night. And the subject of my video is I'm going to put an anti-theft chain by welding it. So that chain will be welded into that plate will be welded into my snowblower. So it's gonna be an anti-theft chain system welded on my snowblower. All right, so you can see my cluttered garage like a head as, and I'm gonna straighten it up. I'm gonna throw my tractor outside, my garden tractor. No, it's not a garden tractor, it's a lawnmower. John Deere tractor, and let's do some welding. So please, folks, stick around. Cheers. Alright, folks, so as you can see, I've got my Lincoln Electric here, my Boss Box AC225 arc welder, and I've got my Columbia snowblower. I had the opportunity to have a fire blanket proof. It's been used and I like it a lot, so it was for free. And I set up my chain with the magnet here. I'm just gonna show it to you. Basically, the chain will be welded right in the middle like this. So I'm using it's 1/8, 16, 50. Well, what's the name of it? Sorry about that. 7014. For welding that chain together. It's a well ventilated garage right now because there's a galvanized steel into that chain. So we try not to break that. So I'm gonna do just a pass to stick it together. 120. Let's start that. And of course, that will be just lovely like that. It's red in the middle, kind of. Alright, so let's start to do some weld. Alright, now I can take the magnet off. And just the basic idea that will be welded around my welder. So I'm just gonna do one pass on each side. Alright, let's do the other side. Now let's clean it. right, so this is much stronger on each side, so that thing is going nowhere. So let's weld that on that. My welding. I'm then gonna do a closer view, so bear in mind. All right, so you can see I squeezed the top vice grip, then there's a bottom one, and I'm gonna weld it right in there, and then along the side here. Alright, the welding is finished. I'm just gonna grind it and stick around. Alright folks, so I'm gonna do a close-up view. So you can see, I don't want to get too close because it's still warm. So I welded the top, then all the way down where I'm pointing at. Then I welded under, I don't know if you can see. And here on the side it was tough going, but I did good spot welding. I do also piercing welding, one at the top and one on the bottom here. You can see on the other side there where I'm pointing at. One didn't pierce, but it's well welded. So I use 70-14, so that means it's 70. It's 70,000 pounds, like strength on 1 inch. It's very strong, so I mean this is more than enough. Probably I should only add welding the chain on the which is already what I welded the plate, but you know what I mean. It's gonna be strong. So that would be it for tonight. It's a very nice weekdays evening warrior project. So there's weekend warriors and there are weeknights warriors too. All right, folks. So I did ventilate, still have some smoke, but definitely. So that will be, of course, if someone wants to steal my whole antique snowblower, which is roughly 15 years old. You just come up with a skill saw or whatever, portable, like. But the main thing is where it's gonna be placed. It's impossible to do that because it's well fenced. And the thing is, I don't want someone to use it for whatever reason. So at least it's gonna be there. And there's other stuff into my Enigma where I'm gonna use that snowblower. All right, folks. So again, thank you very kindly for all your outstanding support, positive feedback, comment. And I mean, what it cost me? It cost me 2.5 70-14 70-14 1/8 size stick rod, a little bit of grinding, and my outstanding Lincoln Electric 225 AC 25 arc welder, buzz box, or tombstone welder, whatever you like to call it, depends which area you're from. So yeah, remember folks, hey, it's November for men's life, health. Life is very good. All right, folks, take care of yourself. Cheers.